Hey folks, happy Monday to you. Brandon Johnson here with Southern Star Roofing. I am with our customer Maggie Payne, and we're roofing a job today in Belmont, North Carolina. So this is Maggie, and just wanted to have her talk about her experience with us so far. And Maggie?
So far we're having a wonderful experience. This man is super. He has a super crew, and we have been around watching them, and they just are so pleasant to talk to. They love their work. They love their boss. And we ended up with a really, really nice situation here. We were approached by another roofing company, and it was a frightening experience, actually. We were almost threatened if we didn't use them, and they were charging twice as much. I don't know what it would have been done. Twice as little done, I guess, or more done. I don't know. I got so confused and angry, and then this wonderful man appeared, and right away we had a winner, and we relaxed, and it's being done now. Top quality, the best materials, and the nicest people working. They're quiet. They're not drinkers. They have nice little cushions that they sit on for furniture that they get in the shade and cool off, and you can tell there's like a brotherhood, and they all work together to please their company and their boss and the people that the work is being done for. And I highly recommend this wonderful man sitting here.
Thank you, Maggie. And I think she hit on a good point with brotherhood, because that's the type of environment that we really strive to foster, not only with our in-house staff but also with our crews. So, and just to piggyback, we are very thankful for every single one of our customers. You and your husband Johnny, you guys have been great to work with. Today I wanted to stop by and bring our workers 12 ice cold Gatorades. It's about 100 degrees outside, so they're working hard. But we also get a chance to sit down on the front porch of our customers, talk to them, make sure the experience is going really great, and make sure they're happy. And so thanks for doing a little interview with me. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thanks.